Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel and I hope you all are doing very well. In today's video, we are going to talk about multiple hiring opportunities for multiple batches. So make sure to watch the complete video till end. But before proceeding further, if you are new to the channel and if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, do consider subscribing to the channel as it will really motivate me to make more such content for you guys. And make sure to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon in order to get the latest notification for all the videos that I upload. I regularly upload off-campus related videos on my channel, and also I upload videos related to interview preparation. So if you have not checked the playlist section of my channel, please make sure to check the playlist section also. So let's start with the first opportunity now. So the first opportunity for today is from Wipro. So Wipro is currently hiring for Wipro has started its hiring for the WILP batch for BCA and BSc graduates of 2022 and 2023, and let's see some of the details now. So let's see the eligibility criteria. What criteria must you satisfy in order to be eligible? So you must have completed 10th and 12th standard. Year of passing should be 2022 and 2023 only. Must have 60% or 6 CGPA in graduation. Full-time BCA, BSc, computer science, information technology, mathematics, statistics, electronics or physics. So make sure you have done your BC or BSc from either one of these disciplines. No part-time or correspondence or distance learning education in degree. Open school or distance education is allowed for 10th and 12th only. One backlog is allowed till assessment stage. Candidates are expected to clear their backlogs along with 6 semesters. So once you join, you are expected to clear your backlogs. Maximum 3 years of gaps in education allowed. No gaps are allowed in graduation period. Graduation should be completed within 3 years from the start of graduation. So these are the very important eligibility criteria that you must satisfy in order to apply for this drive. Educational qualifications: must have core mathematics as one of your subjects in graduation. Must have no gap of over 3 years in your 10th standard and graduation. Must have completed graduation in 3 years with no gaps. Since this role is for only for BC and BSc graduates, so you must be aware that these courses are of 3 years only, so you should have completed them in 3 years of time only. Maximum of active 1 backlog. Must be an Indian citizen. Those who have participated in any of the Wipro selection process in the last 3 months are not eligible. So how to apply? First of all, you need to do the registration. Register for Wipro's work integrated learning program, that is WILP 2023, by filling up a simple form. Online assessment, then the second step will be an online assessment. Eligible candidates will be invited to take a 80-minute online assessment that will test your verbal, analytical, quantitative and written communication skills. Third is business discussion. If you get through the online assessment, you will be called for the business discussion round with our team. So if you clear your online assessment test, you will have this business discussion round, and the step 4th will be your offer letter, which will show you that you have successfully joined the company. So some of the joining details: your designation will be as a scholar trainee. Your stipend will be, for the first year you will receive a stipend of 15,000 plus 488 plus joining bonus of 75,000 along with the first month stipend. Second year you will receive a stipend of 70,000 plus 533 rupees. Then in the third year you will get a stipend of 19,000 plus 618, and in the fourth year you will receive a stipend of 23,000. So you will have a training agreement. You will be required to sign a training agreement for 60 months upon joining. You will be liable to pay a sum of 75,000 on pro rata basis if you leave the organization before 5 years of training agreement are up. So we have discussed the complete details about the Wipro WILP program for BCA and BSc graduates. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comment section and let me know. Moving on to the next recruitment, which is from Capgemini. So Capgemini is hiring for contact support group for the location of Kolkata, Bangalore, Pune. 3-year graduate hiring 2021-2022. The CTC will be 2,75,000 per annum, and the role will be CSG IT enablers. So you can go ahead and give a read to the job description here. Let's discuss about the desired skills that they require. Should have excellent communication and English speaking skills. Should have good interpersonal skills. Willing to work in 24/7 environment. Should be open to sign service level agreement and KPI. Candidates must be open to relocate to any location and work in night shift. Qualifications required is candidates must have completed any 3-year graduation in 2021 and 2022. So these are the educational qualifications required for it. In order to apply for it, you just have to click on apply now button. You have to fill your details. If you get shortlisted, you will get a further notification on your email ID. Moving on to the next job recruitment, which is from HBC. So HBC is hiring for trainee software engineering for the location Bangalore. And let's see some of the details now. The qualifications that are required are bachelor's or master degree in computer science information technology. Experience required is 0 to 2 years. So if you are a fresher also, you can apply for this drive. Skills required are an ideal candidate should be proficient in one or more of the below, that is knowledge or experience in Java and algorithms are mandatory. Knowledge of programming languages like C, C++, HTML, .NET are added advantage. If you know them, it is good for you. Knowledge or experience in JavaScript, Python, Shell script, Oracle, SQL, exposure to agile methodologies like Scrum, pair programming, strong analytical and numerical skills, effectively storytelling and communication skills, strong work ethic, strategic and creative thinker, exhibit strong ability to work independently. So these all are the basic skills. If you have done your graduation, you must have this skill. So if you are a fresher, definitely go ahead and apply for this, as HBC is a very good company. Moving ahead to the next recruitment, which is from Tata Communications. So Tata Communications is hiring for engineering, software and application development. So the location is going to be Bangalore, and the skills they are required is only communication skills, and they do not have mentioned much details. So this role is again for freshers. So if you want to apply for it, just click on apply now button and fill your details in order to fill your application form. Next is from Amdocs. So Amdocs is hiring for technology engineer, and the location is going to be again India, Pune. So let's see the details now. Bachelor's degree in computer science, engineering or a related subject area, proficiency in shell scripting and automation, good knowledge of Unix, Linux server program platform, proven experience in different stages of software creation process as integration engineer. So this is some of the job description. Please go ahead and read it, and in order to apply for it, just click on apply now and fill your details. If you have any doubts while applying for any of the recruitments, you can ask in the comment section. And if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and you will get all the relevant links in the job description box. Thanks for watching.
If you have not followed us on Instagram yet, please follow, as we regularly post updates on our Instagram channel. You can also ask your doubts in the DM section. Also, if you have not yet subscribed to our Telegram channel, please go ahead and subscribe to it. You will get all the relevant links in the description box.